Secret location, secret location, secret location, secret location, secret location. Take my shoes off. Get comfortable. Here we go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am in a different location from my bedroom. If you've watched some of my other videos, you will see the tree wall, the wooden cupboards, everything like that. You will recognize my room. I am in a different location today. So this secret location is actually going to be a part of another video that will hopefully be coming very, very soon to this channel. And it's probably one of the most exciting videos I've ever done. Which if you don't find many of my videos exciting, then it might not be great. I'm really excited about this video. It's like a super secret thing I've been working on, and yeah, I cannot wait to show you. So this is like this little sneak peek. Location shall stay disclosed. So all you're getting is the white wall. So one of my recent videos was a male/female Asos haul, and people really liked it, and I really like doing it, and yeah, if you watched it, thank you very much, and if you haven't, go and check it out, because this is going to be a follow-on, y'all. It's going to be like a part 2. So basically the lowdown from the last video was I bought some clothes from Asos, one of the most amazing places on earth, and they were both male and female and unisex, and all clothes were beautiful, no matter whether gender. You could tell if it was a gender or anything like that. Basically, I just love clothes. Yeah, and I don't really care about what label you've got on them. That's the kind of crux. And today, I got a delivery. Yes! Me and my Yodel guy are like that. See him every week. Yeah, I'm kidding. So this week I'm actually going to just open the bag with you guys. I've not seen any of the clothes. I can't exactly remember what I bought, but I'm excited, really excited, and I hope you are too. So before this video starts, do not forget to subscribe down below, everyone, and notifications and all that jazz. I'm waving. Hey, hey, baby. Do that. And we're gonna get onto the bag. Oh, yes, yes! It's like holding a baby. Oh, my baby. So here we are. It's the Asos packaging. Black and white. Fun fact, Asos stands for as seen on screen. Did you know that? Let's open this up. I don't have scissors with me. Just go with the ripping. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to do it like a Santa sack and just pull in and rip it out. Let's see what there is. Oh, it says collusion on it. Oh my gosh, yeah, I remember these. Oh yeah, with the collusion stuff you always get like a cool sticker. Yeah, which is pretty awesome. You always get a free sticker. Yes! Now, I am a lover of like casual wear, basically, as you can probably tell with what I'm wearing right now. And these are Collusion. So in my last video you see that Collusion is their unisex brand. Asos is unisex brand. And these are Collusion joggies. They're like tie-dye, like kind of greeny tie-dye. I'm actually wearing Collusion right now. For you. And they're so comfortable. So I'm really excited. I got another pair, different colour, and they are. It's good for like in the winter, when it's getting colder and you're not just gonna kind of jump around in shorts or whatever other people wear, or leggings. I prefer joggies to like leggings. Really comfy and also really nice. So I would even like. I wouldn't mind being seen in these, if you know what I mean. A lot of people have casual wear where they're like, I don't want to be seen in that, but I would be seen in these, y'all. Happy with those. Okay, next one. Oh yes. Now I've been looking for one of these for ages, and they're either too expensive or they're just not right. So this one was more in the ballpark. It was better, better price, and I actually like it. So this is men's. This is a male clothing, Asos design, and it is a cute like golf vest, like this, an oversized golf vest. So you put on like over like a t-shirt or yeah, anything like that. I think it'll look cute with like a really nice little like kind of pleated skirt. I think that'll look really nice. It's like really, oh, the fabric's so soft, like really soft. And I really like the colour, like purple and white I think really go well together. So I'm really happy with that. Can't wait to wear it. Let me just put it on now. I really like that. So yeah, there's this kind of like, the kind of vest trend is coming in, which I really like. And I'm looking for more vests. I really want like a kind of brown one, like the kind of colour of this cardigan, which is also Asos men's. Yeah, so if anyone finds any good for a good price, because they can be expensive, and I'm not gonna like spend like £100 on them. If anyone can find any like that, let me know. Next, I don't want us to end. Oh yes, I remember this as well. I was like confused for a second there. Oh, that is soft. The good thing about Asos, because this is Asos design as well, a men's t-shirt, it's really soft material. Oh, I'm loving it. I love the colours on this. I don't know if you can probably see them, but it's like purple and then the colour block blue. It just, it's California in the front. It's really nice. I kind of like American sports, so it's kind of like that. It's like American high school type thing. Guys, not even joking, man. This is like so soft. Like, oh, so soft. How do they make these clothes? Really, really like that. Does it suit me? So yeah, I've got like two purpley things so far. That shows you what kind of colour I like to wear. But yes, again, men's. And you wouldn't tell this was a men's t-shirt. This could be for anyone. Fold it nicely. I watched back my other video and I did just check the clothes, so folding nicely. In the bag we go. Lucky dip. Oh yes! So I have started to try and look out my winter clothes, and also if I'm buying clothes, buy more wintry clothes, because it is now September. Well, it's going into October. Oh my goodness, where's the year going? Kind of all year round, I'd say it's kind of wintry in Scotland, so we always need to be prepared for like the weather changing, because we could have the 4 seasons in the one day. But right now, definitely, it's definitely time for long sleeves and jumpers and all sorts. And that's exactly what this is. So, oh, it's got a piece of paper in it. So it's plain black, which black looks great on everyone. And it is a turtleneck, which I love, and it is long sleeved, and it's just like a kind of t-shirt material again, and it says on it, kindness is key. I love that. It's like really, really sleek and, but like bold at the same time. Oh, I love it. Again, this is a guys, but why does it have to be guys? Like this is good. I'm gonna be wearing this and people will think this is made for a woman. Like, this looks perfect. I love it. I'm so obsessed. I like a wee turtleneck. I think a turtleneck is really nice. But this will be like warmish, but still like breathable, so you won't get roasted in it. What's next? Oh, brought out a couple things. Put on that one at a time, everyone. This looks like another t-shirt. I can see what's on it. I hope you can actually hear me over all this rustling. Casper, the friendly ghost. Oh man, again we're going with the purple. I'm in a purple vibe. Look at this, again it's long sleeved, coming into the winter. It's white and it's got Casper on the front and then all this detail in the back. Friendly ghost, like all these things, it's total like Halloween-y vibe. Yeah, I love the movie Casper. I love Christina Ricci, who's in it, and I love just the story. I love the score as well. The score to Casper is just beautiful. And I love the whole thing that he's a friendly ghost, because ghosts are supposed to be scary and stuff. Yeah, really good. It's really funny, like quite humorous. And I just love the line when he whispers to her, he says, "Can I keep you?"
Cat. Can I keep you?
And it's like just, it is like obviously it's a kind of kid's film, but I just find that really pure and romantic, and I just love it. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, especially coming into October when it is Halloween, Casper the Friendly Ghost. And this was an Asos men's design as well. But there's no reason why this couldn't be in like the women's section. This exact thing, it doesn't have to have cut sleeves or it has to be like really tight. Just this. It's not a men's t-shirt, it's a for everyone t-shirt. Oh, I'm excited to wear that. So soft again. You could literally sleep on these clothes. Okay, I accidentally pulled out something. What was that? Let's see. Oh no, oh yes, I remember now. Now this is from the women's section, because when you buy like men and women's like leggings, they are shaped differently. So because obviously we have different items down there, they are shaped differently. So I mean, technically you could, a woman could buy men's leggings, but I don't think they'd fit that great. So I buy women's leggings, and so I just wanted a nice little new pair of leggings. I bought these like Reebok ones, and they've got like the logo on the back, and they're just kind of plain navy. Yeah, I also obviously did say that I like joggies, but I do like wearing leggings in the winter and stuff as well. But these will be nice. I kind of expected them to be like dry fit, but they're kind of cottony, but they're still good. So yeah, there's my leggings. The only female thing so far that I've purchased, although you wouldn't be able to tell. Okay, this is the last thing, guys. Oh man, why didn't I have more? The last thing I remember, this is the one thing I've been looking forward to. It's collusion again, so it's completely unisex. Oh yeah. Look at this. It's a Coach jacket. I've always wanted like a Coach jacket. So like something that's like padded but like looks cool. Kind of looks like what a farmer would wear. Oh yeah, it's really nice. I think it's quite warm. It's good for like this kind of like material, and the thickness is good for this time of year when it's not absolutely freezing, but it's too cold to go out with like just a wee cardigan on or without a jacket at all, which is not normal in Scotland. This is a kind of like in-between jacket, so perfect autumn jacket, and I'm really liking it. Like buttons, yeah, it's got lovely inside, collusion. Yeah, I really like that. I can't wait to wear it to wherever I'm going, to the festival, you know. Miss. I'm quite sad it's over. So that is this week's Asos haul. Did you like this set of clothes better or last week's set of clothes better? Let me know. If you like these kind of videos, I will keep them coming. So just let me know. Basically, guys, wear what you want, wear what you feel comfortable in, because clothes these days and like the sizes and genders and all sorts of clothes really just doesn't exist and doesn't matter anymore, because clothes are just made completely different in every shop you go into and every country you go into. They're all made completely different. So gone are the days where you could go into a shop and say, well, I'm this size, so I'll just pick up this and go home with it. No, you're most likely need to try it on, you know, maybe send something back, because everyone makes their clothing so different. Like I've read a lot of those like posts where people buy like the same size of jeans in like multiple shops, and they're all completely different, which is shocking, isn't it? Because I thought like there was just like these set of measurements, like rules and stuff, like the fashion industry, this is it, this is what every size, like this one size is going to be the same everywhere you go, but it's not. I don't know why that is, I don't know how that works, but it's just not. I would get really down about it, that I would go into one shop and buy, you know, my size, and then the next shop I would go in and have to go like up one or something, and I would be like, oh my goodness, like what's wrong with me? There's nothing wrong with you. It's just clothing. I genuinely wouldn't say I'm a size at all. I'm not a size. It's hard if someone had to say what size clothes you, I'd say, well, what shop are you going into? Because it's true, you just don't know. So it's the same with like male and female clothes. You know, I genuinely think like t-shirts and tops and stuff, cardigans, they don't have to be, for females anyway, they don't have to be, you know, frilly pink, which is fine if you like that, so there can be that option, but there has to be more options of looser and more neutral, more kind of dark colours, just to suit everyone instead of like the stereotypes of that gender. Just as the same as, you know, obviously I'm not a man, so I've never really shopped for a male, so I don't know what they think. Guys, do you think that your kind of market of clothing, is it too stereotypical? Leave it in the comments, and I'm interested in this kind of stuff, so it'd be good to start the conversation. But yeah, I think there needs to be more diversity in clothing, because I love seeing people experiment with stuff. I like to experiment, and I love seeing people just having fun and just kind of wearing what they feel like they want to on that day. I've had a lot of like self-confidence issues and not believing in myself and not knowing where I fit and who I am and stuff, but fashion and clothing has really helped me. Whether you think I have a good sense of style or whether you like my clothes or not, because everything's subjective, you know, so it has helped me kind of come into my own kind of person, and just every day it's kind of like figuring out who you are, even though you might never actually get to a point where you figure out who you completely are. Fashion and clothes and stuff has really helped me just enjoy life a wee bit more and gotten me to this person that I am right now, whether that's good or not. So thanks for watching. If you have watched, is there anything you liked particularly from this set of clothing that I have purchased this week? Leave it in the comments below. I'm also on social media, which you'll find here, and I will also link that down below. Go and follow me and all sorts, because I will follow you back and leave me friends and all sorts like that, and blah blah blah. What was I gonna say? Gosh, I can't remember. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got lots more things coming, and check out some of my other videos because I've done quite a few things. And you definitely want to stick around to find out what this secret location is, which you will find out at some point. So this is Lindsey Brown logging off from secret location A, and I shall catch you all next time. Thanks again. Bye.